Hi guys, for our lesson for today is we will discuss an overview of what GPT is and how it can be used. So, introduction from language translation to creative writing, intelligence is informing the way we communicate and interact. It In this lesson, we're taking a closer look at ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI systems available today. Okay, what is GPT? ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on a transformer architecture and fine-tuned on a massive amount of data to generate human-like text. It can perform a variety of language tasks such as answering questions, generating text, translating language, and summarizing text. Next. An example, considering the following scenarios. Marla is opening up a new business but doesn't have a social media strategist. She could type out each post herself, but she is busy getting the business up and running. Maria opens up ChatGPT. She types into its prompt, I have a small business called Metal Wonders that sells 3D printed custom metal parts. Write a blog post and 5 blurbs for Facebook for publicity. The post comes out in a second. Marla makes a few edits, schedules schedules them on her feed, and goes about her day. Time-saving measures like this can be a reality, but looks like ChatGPT. Response, edit, and pause. So, in other words, guys, pinapa time saving siya. So, kunwari, like me na nag-vlog guys. So wala akong maisip na caption, ganun, or yung sa descriptions ko, ganun. So syempre naka-download na ako ng ChatGPT. Tapos ano ko na siya guys. Meron dun, 'di ba naka-download ka na ng ChatGPT or open mo yung ano nila, yung site nila. And then new chat meron doon. May new chat doon. Tapos doon send a message. Magse-send ka ng message sa kanila. Tapos doon kanila ire-response. Ayan, parang ganyan. Give me a good, for example, yung sa akin, give me a good ideas for trending YouTube videos. Ayun, meron siyang 10 10 examples si ChatGPT for me. So, pwede ko na yun i-post sa social media, i-edit, tapos magdagdag or mag-ano na lang ako kung gusto ko, magbawas ako or magdagdag ako. Ayun yung ibig sabihin, guys. So, parang pinapabilis ng artificial intelligence yung gawain natin, guys. For us na kunwari magbi-business ka, ganun, or vlogger ka, ganun. So, ayun. Sana naintindihan nyo. Ayan, next. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT ChatGPT is a large language model by the company OpenAI. A large language model aims to understand and respond to text by training on a massive amount of data, typically millions or even billions of words. This training is a part of process called machine learning. Machine learning enables computers to learn and improve their performance on a task over time. Machine learning is an umbrella term for a set of algorithms that analyze and find patterns from non-historical information, training data. to make predictions on unknown or new information. Machine learning involves feeding data into an algorithm, allowing to allowing the algorithm to make predictions or decisions about new data. ChatGPT was built using a more complex form of machine learning called deep learning. Deep learning attempts to replicate the way the human brain works, learning and improving over time. The more data the model is trained on, the better it can learn these patterns and make accurate predictions. The amount of data ChatGPT was trained on is massive, consisting of hundreds of billions of words. The dataset includes sources from websites, books, articles, social media posts, news articles, and more. Through processing all of this data, ChatGPT has learned the way information tends to be presented. Using this to string together text, it predicts how a human would respond to a question, a word, or group of words at a time. And then next, capabilities of ChatGPT. Through its ability to generate useful responses to questions in seconds, ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications across various industries. Provide personalized customer service, assist with language translation and coding tasks, generate content for websites or social media. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, guys. Create chatbots and virtual assistants. Analyze and summarize large amount of text data. These uses have the potential to benefit both businesses and individuals by saving time and money. But both the way we use ChatGPT and the application itself have potential to benefit both businesses and individuals by saving. But way we use ChatGPT and the application itself are but developing. Over time, we will find new uses and ChatGPT will add new features. We are really just getting started using systems like ChatGPT in our lives. So, writing, social media content, recommendations, poetry, and then translation. So, next, review. In this lesson, we've discussed what GPT is and how it can be used. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that has a wide range of potential applications. It was created using a complex form of machine learning and trained using hundreds of billions of words. Through this training, it is able to generate realistic responses to questions and conversations. These responses are able to serve useful purposes in both businesses and everyday life, as a content creation and customer service. True, they often need some editing to get to a final state. ChatGPT responses can help people and business alike. So let's end here, guys. So I will make um next episode for another topic. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.